Billions in reparations have been paid. But not to the descendants of enslaved Africans. Why? In this video, we uncover the truth about reparations. Who has received them and why African Americans have been left out. Let's dive in. The fight for reparations isn't just about abstract concepts. It's about real lives, real losses, and real injustices for over 400 years. My own family's story is a stark example. Around 1884, my great-grandparents acquired 160 acres of land through the Homestead Act. He didn't just sit on that land. He invested his labor and his dreams. By 1888, he had cleared 25 acres, built a dwelling with a kitchen, a smokehouse, 2 stables, and planted 6 different crops. This wasn't just land. It was a home, a livelihood, a future. But that future was stolen. He was forcibly run off his land. All of that hard work, all of that potential, vanished. And the question remains: and other families, like mine, be compensated for that loss? For the generational wealth that was denied? And the over 200 years of forced labor? Not to mention the millions lost in the Middle Passage along. Reparation rights have not remained static. They have transformed, expanding beyond the idea of simply handing over a check. In the early days, reparations were seen as direct financial compensation, a way to pay back those who had been wronged. But as time passed, a deeper understanding emerged: true reparations require more than money. The wounds of slavery, colonization, and systemic discrimination are not just financial. They run deep, shaping education, healthcare, housing, and opportunities for entire communities. Financial compensation remains one of the most well-known forms of reparations. Governments and institutions have, in some cases, offered direct payments to descendants of those who suffered historic injustices. These payments serve as both acknowledgement and restitution, yet they are only one piece of the puzzle. Land redistribution is another critical form of reparations. Restoring land rights or providing land as compensation allows communities to reclaim autonomy, create generational wealth, and break cycles of economic oppression. Education has also become a key part of the reparation conversation. Generations of systemic barriers have made it harder for descendants of the enslaved to access quality education.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.